Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube video. Today we'll be reviewing the HUO Ji E-Yooso Z-88 keyboard. In this YouTube channel we review everyday tech to see if it's worth it or not. My wife currently uses this keyboard for remote work, so we're going to go over the qualities to see if it's worth it or not. Currently this keyboard goes for $50 on Amazon. I'll go ahead and put the description below, so let's go ahead and see what this keyboard is about. This white keyboard can also be bought in brown or blue switches. You can buy the black keyboard that comes with red, blue, and brown switches as well. This keyboard does come with a stand, puts it at a good level for typing. I had some issues here, but you guys get the point. The stand works. I have no issues with it. This keyboard comes with a detachable cable, so that means you can replace it if it ever breaks, but one end is the USB and the other end is the Android connector. You can also route these cables to go in left and right. That's a pretty cool feature in the case that you don't have the space for the cable to go outward. It's pretty neat that you have that option, because usually with the keyboard you just have to work with what you got, but this gives you more options, so that's pretty cool.
The keys are easy to take out, and I bought the red key switches. It's been pretty good, no issues.
If you ever wet your keyboard, it has drainage holes to help with taking the water out. Comes with a number pad as well, and this is how the keyboard sounds. For those interested to see what kind of color modes, you'll just go ahead and click FN and then INS key, and every time you click on it you get a different type of variation or pattern for how the keys will light. It's pretty cool. And at the same time, on that certain pattern that you on, if you click on FN end, it will change the color of that pattern, so that's pretty cool. This also comes with 5 presets for game modes. You can go ahead and click FN and you can click F1 through F5 and it'll give you a different variation, and you can change the colors on those keys as well. The cool thing about this keyboard is you can configure each key to which colors, so you don't need any certain drivers or software. You're able to just click on a key and click that same key again if you want to change the color, and then you can go on and click other keys for it to stay that color, so that's pretty cool. Like I said earlier, FN plus the N key will change the color, and if you're on a certain pattern you can still click FN and it won't change the pattern. It'll just change the color like it is right now. This keyboard does not come with any software that you can install on it. I was looking in the description and the reviews, and looks like everything's off the keyboard itself. No software, no drivers needed. The good thing is you can plug this into any computer and configure it the way that you want. Downside is you do miss certain features if you did have software like other keyboards provide. This keyboard is water resistant, not waterproof, but still a cool feature in case you spill water on it or any other beverage, plus the drainage should be able to withstand that. The sleek design and clean white makes this keyboard a really good option if you're looking for something under the $50 budget. Easy to clean, so I would definitely recommend this if you ever think of purchasing a white keyboard. If you guys have any questions about the keyboard, please let me know. Please comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.